Hello everyone, welcome back to Ooh La La. Today we're making a super healthy red lentil soup. It's a quick and easy recipe that requires only a few ingredients. It serves 4 people and takes about 35 minutes to complete, but only 10 minutes is hands-on. It's not just cozy and delicious, it's also packed with nutrients that do your body good. Here's everything we'll need. 1.5 cups of rinsed red lentils, 6 to 7 cups of hot water, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 medium carrots, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 chicken bouillon cube. And for the tools, we'll need a large pot and an immersion blender. Let's get started. First, we're going to prep our veggies. Start by dicing the onion. I'm using red, but you can use white or yellow, whatever you have. Onions boost immunity, regulate blood sugar, fight inflammation, and improve digestion. Don't worry about cutting your vegetables perfectly because we're going to blend the soup later on. Okay, set this aside. Smash the garlic and cut it into a fine dice. Then add this to the plate with your onion. Garlic supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and cholesterol. It also has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This is my husband's favorite lentil soup because it doesn't give him heartburn or indigestion like some others. Now, roughly chop the carrots. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is good for your eye health. Set this aside with the rest of the vegetables. Now, place your large pot over a medium-high heat, then add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil has healthy fats that support your heart health. Make sure to spread it evenly across the pot. The oil is ready once it starts to shimmer and moves quickly across the bottom of the pot when tilted. Now add in all your vegetables. Sauté this for about 3 minutes until the onion and garlic start to go translucent. This helps release their natural sweetness and flavor. Add in the lentils and sauté this for about another minute. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, iron, and fiber, perfect for supporting digestion and keeping you full and energized. Crush the bouillon cube and add that to the pot along with the other spices. Cumin and turmeric are both powerful anti-inflammatory spices, and a lot of people don't know that the black pepper helps you to absorb the turmeric. Stir everything together and sauté for another 30 seconds to really wake up those spices. Okay, now pour in 6 to 7 cups of hot water. 6 cups will give you a thicker consistency like mine, so if you prefer your soup to be lighter, use 7 cups instead. Just make sure to add more salt to taste. Give it a stir and turn the heat on high to bring the pot to a boil. Once boiling, cover with a lid, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Stir the soup from time to time so the lentils won't stick to the bottom. After 25 minutes, your carrots and lentils should be soft and fully cooked. Now blend it all up with an immersion blender. Make sure to get all the vegetables blended really well. There's no cream needed with this soup. The lentils make it super rich and velvety all on their own. Ooh la la! That's exactly what we're looking for. A smooth and creamy, delicious soup. You can serve it as is, or you can add a drizzle of olive oil for extra richness, and a wedge of lemon and fresh parsley to brighten it up a bit. I always serve it with some bread and some roasted pepper. This soup is simple, satisfying, and nourishing. Perfect for an easy, healthy lunch or dinner. Let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes with precise measurements and step-by-step instructions. See you next time!